Morning, Kevin.
Oh, yeah.
It's a nice morning.
In the gym this morning, and I found this guy. Legs up.
Back from Hong Kong, we visited a local tailor to get some nice clothes in preparation for the Mediterranean. Then the boat work resumed. First up was our air conditioner water pump, which had been getting noisy lately and most recently blew a fuse. Kevin took it apart with the help of a local expert and determined a few pieces needed replacing. Meanwhile, Kevin also signed up for the approved Engine Course 1 and got some hands-on experience taking apart and servicing marine diesel engines. Next was painting of the longeron, which had developed cracks in the clear coat. So we've already undone one. I'm going to undo this side first. At the same time, on the other side we're easing, so I've loosened this one. And Kevin's at the front continuing. The painters are going to be fixing stuff like this and all of that. Kevin and I became experts in undoing and redoing lashings. Finished product. Certainly better than it was. This used to be a crack in the clear coat now. If you can see, there's just kind of an odd discoloration, and it's from when they sanded down through the coat. But otherwise, everything's pretty nice, pretty shiny. Kevin did some maintenance on the outboard engine, while I did a bit of sewing.
What you doing?
Making some stern shades, because the floor on the stern gets quite hot.
Stern shades, yeah.
Stern shades. Kevin measured the temperature today, and it was quite hot. It was like 86.
86 Celsius. Yeah.
Celsius. So, hoping this will help us. We'll see how it fits. Meanwhile, troubleshooting continued on the generator, as we had salt water leaking, likely from the impeller gasket. We made new friends with other cruisers in the marina. I serviced our winches, and then we inspected and cleaned out Saoirse's fuel tanks.
What are you working on now? For the camera.
Oh, hello.
I'm pulling a Janine and videoing you without telling you.
Well, we're doing the other side. So we did the starboard side. Now we're doing the port side. I've disconnected hoses with Kevin's help, and now I'm taking out all the bolts.
So we're gonna take the cap off and
Take the cap off, clean the tank.
clean the engine or the fuel tank.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuel tank for port side.
All right. Good job. It's harder to get back there, but at least where all the pipes come in and go out, there's it's totally clean.
We added a defibrillator to our first aid kit.
New AED.
You expecting some heart trouble?
That's it. Getting older. All this stuff I'm reading about diet, we haven't talked about that at all, but
No.
I've been eating a lot of bad things all my life. I probably have some plaques on my blood vessels.
Tough arteries.
Tough arteries.
Well, we've been wanting one of these for, I think we talked about it last year. If you're going to have any sort of life-saving equipment on board, this is the thing.
One of the things, yeah. It's upside down. Is there a flashing green light up here? Basically, that turns it
Powered on. Stay calm. Follow the instructions.
Voice instructions.
Remove clothing from patient's chest. Apply pads as shown on pads.
Child or adult switch.
Child mode. Adult mode.
This is the language if we wanted to listen to it in
Remove
Thai
clothing
instead.
from patient's chest. Apply pads as shown on pads.
All right.
Remove clothing from patient's chest.
And then survived a squall that nearly sank the dock we're tied to. Quite the light show tonight. A squall rolled through. It hit at least 38 knots of wind. And the lightning is still going, but it's moved off now. The dock that we're tied to, the foam has gotten dislodged. I don't know if you can... there's one block.
It's sinking.
We recovered the foam. But the dock is underwater a little bit.
It's sinking.
It is kind of sinking. Hey, good job. Sounds like it's a giant ratchet and they just lifted the dock. We took a few days off, staying in the south end of Phuket, and visited the Cashew Nut Factory.
That's the cashew nut fruit.
Yeah, this one fruit, this one nut.
Oh, wow.
One fruit, one nut,
Yeah.
one nut, one seed, 1 year, 1 season. Just now, night.
Yeah.
You can touch, you can smell. Like a pineapple, you can smell. We make juice like a pineapple. Cashew nut juice.
Cashew nut juice. That
Cool.
was the fruit.
Yes.
Okay.
This one not sun-dried. Sun-dried 3 days.
Sun dried for 3 days.
Yes.
So you break
Yeah,
and
this
then
fruit is
twist.
yes. Sun-dried 3 days. After sun-dried, boiling in the hot water 30 minutes. She opened by hand, one by hand, not automatic machine, only by hand.
Wow.
That's why cannot touch, cannot eat. This on the oil. The oil around toxic.
Okay.
After you touch, burn skin.
Okay.
She
So
said
she's wearing gloves.
So you need to cook after
after roasting.
roasting.
Yeah, care. After roasted, we open skin by hand. We open skin one by hand. After open skin, we mix flavor. We coating, cashew nut coating, mix flavor. We have 17 flavor. You can try all.
Wow.
Let you try.
Okay, thank you. I have some wasabi nose from the previous one.
Simple, you can take it out from here.
Okay.
Oh, one there, the fruit is starting to grow.
It's a funny looking fruit with a nut hanging out the bottom.
It is a little bit strange looking. But they sure taste good. The Green Man Pub restaurant.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to a quiz night tonight. So we decided to take a few days off, doing a staycation, Phuket. And today is just a touring day on the scooter. And we're at a viewpoint right now. It's a sad doggy in there. Kevin's volunteering.
ต้องหาคนนี้มันรู้เวลาไง
มันวิ่งได้อยู่นะพี่แดง
Aww,
วิ่งไปตามจับมันจะรู้ว่าไล่กลัวหรอก
ลัว
shaking.
ทุกทีไม่เห็นอยู่ตรงนี้เลยทุกทีก็จะจับ
It's Found a restaurant that does Malaysian rendang. Kevin's trying the spicy beef rendang. I found a curry laksa, and it's delicious too. So it seems like Phuket, just like a lot of places in Southeast Asia, the town started when, with tin mining. So, same in Indonesia, we found a lot of places. They originally were tin mines and then they changed to different things. Kevin says supported by foreign investment. But in 1997, Phuket did a bunch of renovating and it became more of a tourist town, which is what you see today. And I'm in the clock tower, apparently. At the end of the line.
Secret to longevity.
Sitting on the floor.
Japanese ladies in Okinawa. Up and down. 30 times a day from the floor. Live to be 100.
That's the goal.
Yeah, maybe we should throw out all our chairs. You think? Sleep on the floor.
I don't know if that works for Canada.
Up here.
You want to cross here?
Spicy?
Oh.
Ken? Yeah.
Back at Yacht Haven, Kevin decided to take advantage of another one of Galileo's courses.
The Maritime and Coast Guard Agency's Proficiency in Survival Craft and Rescue Boat certification covers topics including launching and driving a davit-launched rescue boat, davit launching a life raft, towing a life raft, both with a rescue boat and with an enclosed lifeboat, launching and driving a lifeboat, recovering a man overboard, both from a rescue boat and from an enclosed lifeboat, and more.
Can you see all of those?
Yeah, there were a couple on the Zoom.
It's just a swarm going past.
Marina. Worm. Look at that flatworm.
Some kind of slug. He looks like a leaf.
He's an unusual gecko. He's less flat.
No, he's not a gecko. No.
He's kind of got a
Can I focus on him? No. Morning walk. Yacht Haven. Oh, he's a little nervous. Easy, easy. It's okay. They're usually down that valley. You stopped chewing. It's okay.